Only watch time from your long-form videos counts towards YouTube monetization. The watch time of viewers who watch your YouTube shorts does not count. What are YouTube shorts? Think quick, vertical, engaging videos. While they can now be up to 3 minutes in length, they are your fastest way to grab attention and, crucially, build your subscriber base. People who enjoy your short content are highly likely to subscribe for more. Now let's talk long-form videos. These are crucial for those all-important watch hours needed for monetization. Technically, any horizontal video counts, and they can be a minute long or much longer, but this is your main content. So remember this, long-form builds watch hours for monetization. Shorts build your subscriber count and overall reach. Use both strategically for YouTube success. YouTube video formats. Know your playing field. First up, long-form videos. Think deep dives, tutorials, stories, typically anything longer than 60 seconds. They build deeper connections with your audience and rack up those crucial watch hours for monetization. Plus, they're great for ranking in search. Now, YouTube Shorts. Vertical videos, usually between 30 seconds or up to 3 minutes of rapid-fire engagement. Their superpower? Broad reach and fast subscriber growth in that dedicated Shorts feed. Perfect for quick experiments and hitting that mobile-first audience. But wait, what is better for the YouTube Partner Program? Only long-form watch hours count towards that 4,000-hour goal. Shorts views help you get to 1,000 subs, but long-form is key for earning. Master both formats. Long-form for deep engagement and monetization watch hours, shorts for massive reach and subscriber growth. Play the game smart.